Hi there, everybody. It's Marybeth Angelelli. I'm back again, and I want to just continue to share and talk to you more about this amazing opportunity and community that I'm very fortunate to be a part of. And we are truly out there making a big impact, making a difference, and we're changing people's lives in 2024. So if you are out there and you want more in 2024, I'm inviting you to come inside and just really take a close look and check things out firsthand for yourself. So I'm just going to begin by showing you just a little bit of what's possible and some results that have come in already this month. We're off to a great start here, March 2024. So just allow me to do this real quickly. Okay. So we had another new premium customer join me. Right here, there is my name, time, and date stamp. That brought me another $600 in the process, okay? Then we had another customer just come through yesterday, bringing me another $150, okay? We had another customer right here, $150. There's my information right there. Here's another one, $600, my name, time, and date stamp right there. Here we go, a Cash App for $600, another premium level customer. And we had another one here, PayPal for $300. So just doing some simple math, folks. We are into this month so far for, $2,400, okay? And we're just getting started. But you know what? I want to bring you inside of our amazing community right now so that I can share with you how we are impacting and changing so many people's lives, okay? Because this goes far beyond me, but I just wanted to show you because people are always asking me, well, Marybeth, are you making money with this? So, I just want to, get it out there and show you that absolutely I am. And I show up every single day. I'm no different than anybody else. I just put my mind to this. I stay committed, grounded, and consistent, and great things just continue to happen. And they can happen for you too. This is our amazing community where we have an awesome classroom with additional supplemental training and mentorship and live webinars and so much more, okay? It's all very beginner friendly, step-by-step instructions and video tutorials. Anybody can do this. We show you how to build from the ground floor up, starting from scratch. You don't need any special skills, expertise, education. Don't need to know nothing on the tech side. Don't need to be a techie whatsoever. It's very beginner friendly. It's all right here. For example, getting started training. You'll learn how to get your system set up. We are in the midst of a 90-day run right now, which is absolutely amazing. We'll show you and teach you how to master your CEO mindset, which is equally important to skill set, digital marketing skills. We're going to equip you with the skills that you need to go out there and, make a difference, pay your bills, and enjoy life, okay? And then we're going to show you how to launch your six-figure journey with a 2-hour workflow, okay? So you're not trading time for dollars anymore. We're going to give you additional TikTok training. This is really wonderful stuff. How to set your business up on automation. You're going to have a funnel. It's going to be working for you on automations. It's going to be called your Freedom Funnel. I love mine. I know you're going to love yours too. We're actually getting ready to launch something really big and really special this month. Right now we have 4 different done-for-you digital products that we're able to promote and earn 100% commissions. Very, very soon, we're going to be adding 3 more. So not only are we going to be able to have 4 income streams, add on 3 to 4, that equals 7 income streams. And did you happen to know that the average millionaire out there just so happens to have 7 income streams? So we're going to equip you with every advantage of being able to go out there and truly change and transform your life in 2024. So please stay tuned. Launching soon, okay? Free resources. We have so many wonderful free resources. 6 figures in 6 months. Okay, this is something that if you are somebody who is wanting to take action, you're a high achiever, you can go on and do some amazing, amazing things with this very system. And the community is here to help you, lead you, guide you, and support you every single step of the way. how to discover your perfect customer. This is so vital because once you understand and learn exactly who your perfect customer is, you're going to be able to do some amazing things. You're going to learn how to create content around that perfect customer. Your content is going to be relevant, relatable, and your perfect customer is going to be able to resonate with it very, very well. And this should definitely help you to enhance and increase your conversions. When you enhance and increase your conversions, your bottom line profits will increase and you'll be able to increase your income earning potential in the process, okay? You just got to plug in. You got to take a leap of faith, take action, get started, show up every single day, invest in yourself, invest in your business. That would be my best advice I can give to anybody out there. Okay? Building a faceless brand, we have that option for you. Okay? If you don't want to do talking videos, we can show you how to build your brand using faceless content. Okay? Works quite well, as a matter of fact. A 90-day ramp-up challenge. We have our Monday mentoring and tech Zooms. Those are amazing. We have those live. If you're not able to make it, we have the replays. They're all found right in this little, right in these modules here. This is our last 90-day run from last year, the end of last year. All the replays are fully loaded. So this is the classroom, folks. We have training inside in these different components, compartments, and modules, literally worth thousands and thousands of dollars, but you're going to get this for free. Okay, you're going to get to be part of this community called the Digital Growth Community for free. Okay, so with that being said, folks, here's the community. I want to just bring you inside real quickly and just show you some recent wins, folks. Okay, like I mentioned, it's just not all about me, but people are just always asking me, does the system work? And they just want to see, continued validation. And like they say, the proof is in the pudding and documentation beats conversation. So I shared with you what I was able to do in just a couple short days this month, $2,400. So you have to stop and think and just contemplate for just a couple split seconds. What would something like that, how would that help you and impact your life? If you could increase your cash flow each and every single month. Okay? It's making a world difference, folks, for not only me, but countless others. See, look, over 10,000 members in this digital growth community alone. Okay? So we have something really special here, and I just love to extend a special invite to you to be able to become part of this. And you're going to get access to this when you purchase one of the 4 digital products. All right? So look at what's possible, folks, right here. $600 blessing, $150 ding. I mean, it's just absolutely amazing. We have people from all walks of life, all backgrounds. We have total newbies, total beginners. We have people, with some experience, and we have seasoned veteran marketers. So we have people, pouring in here from all backgrounds. And yes, we're worldwide. Forgot to mention that. Look, $600 ding while servicing my clients, $600 while I'm at work. And the reason this is happening, because we're out there, we're able to do what we need to do during the day, but we have a very powerful system that's working for us behind the scenes 24/7. It's our automations. We're taking people on a journey. This journey encompasses the know, like, and the trust. We invite people to come inside of our website, willingly enter their email address. We bring them through the journey. We're building that know, like, and trust through our follow-up email series. People can look at this. We share with them, how we're doing this. And then if they see the fit, they see the value, they jump right in, folks. And that's what I would encourage you to do, folks. This can become you. This can truly become your new reality. Look at this. Look at all these wonderful testimonials, $600 ding. Look at this, $550, and the day is still young. I mean, just check this out. Dings are coming in like crazy, all hours of the day and night. I mean, it's just absolutely amazing. Look, $3,000 in 11 days, small wins. We celebrate all wins. It doesn't matter how big, how small these wins are. People are truly winning. Look at this. Holy guacamole, $1,350 day. Okay? In the last 5 days, this will be my record-breaking month. Okay? And I'll just do one more sheet just to kind of show you, what's possible. Look at this. $300 ding today. $600 sell while chilling. $600 while cooking dinner, another $600, that makes $1,900 for the day. I mean, these results are just absolutely life-changing, and you can join us. You know, you have to, though, step out, take a leap of faith, not be afraid to take action, and just get started. We have 4 amazing products done for you, ready to go, and we'll plug you into the system. It's automated. Look at this, folks. Look at this. What's possible in 32 days. Let me check this out. $1,200 day. Look at this. $300 while at the movies. Mindset and plugging in. $12,600 in 10 days. Look at this. I can't make this stuff up, even if I wanted to, folks. Look at this. More followers. You know, we're helping people with the process, with their marketing. We're equipping them with the skills, and they're going on to do some amazing things. Look, last 8 days, $1,300, $1,200 made while shopping at the mall. Okay? Look at this, folks. Look at this. It's just absolutely amazing what we are able to do and accomplish with this system and with this community. So with that being said, what I'd like to do is just a couple things before I close out. I want you to go to my link below, dailypaywithmarybeth.com, enter a good valid email address. You'll get to come inside, review everything firsthand. Then this coming Thursday, March the 7th, 8 p.m. Pacific, 5 p.m. Eastern, our next free webinar. You've got to come out. You've got to be there live in the moment. You've got to get excited. The last one we had was last Friday. It was jam-packed. We had like 1,000 guests on it. And it was just literally off the chains. I mean, so many just absolutely moving emotional testimonials were shared of how we are doing some amazing things and how people's lives are truly, radically, significantly being impacted in the greatest of ways. They're able to change their lives, and what we're doing is we are able to extend an invite to you so you can come out and you can hear why this is so unique and so special and how we are getting these amazing results right here. So I'm putting that link below to the webinar invite for this Thursday along with my website. So this is what it's going to look like. This is where I want you to go next. And this way you can get all the details firsthand. dailypaywithmarybeth.com. This is our funnel. This is an amazing high response, high converting funnel. It's called our Freedom Machine. It's out there. It's going to work for us. It's going to work for us around the clock 24/7. It's doing a fantastic job, as you can clearly see. It does our telling, selling, explaining, and follow up for us so we don't have to. And you know what the beauty is? What I love best and what countless other members love best? We can wake up in the morning. We never have to worry. We never have to stress. And you know why? Because we never have to fear hearing the word no. This is a complete rejection-free business model and system, and you can be using this very system to achieve greatness in your life in 2024. If you plug in, stay committed, stay consistent, get into the community, get into the training. You're going to not only have the training inside of your digital products alone, but we're going to be going above and beyond, giving you exactly what you need and so much more. So with that being said, folks, you know what to do, and I look forward to hopefully seeing you very soon inside of this awesome community. My name's Marybeth. I love the system. I've been in it since the very beginning, since day one. Fast forward from March of 2021 to when I got started to March of 2024. We are alive, kicking, going strong. And as you can see, yes, the system is still working for me. I've been able to do $2,400 so far this month in just the first couple of days. And I'm just going to keep on pushing, keep on going, and keep on sharing with you all. Thank you so much. Talk to you soon. My contact details are below. Feel free to reach out, connect, and I'd love to invite you inside and welcome you to the team in advance. Have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your week. Thank you so much.